Hi, so today I decided to do a little experiment to find out exactly what happens when things come into focus for me, because that is a bit of a problem area. So I was wondering if I might be subtly turning to one side or something like that. So I have my partner just hold this up and just bring it closer and closer to my face until it came into focus, just to see if I turned or if anything happened at all. And what he found out was as soon as it came into focus, I'd actually start shaking a bit. Now I tried this with these glasses, the new higher power glasses which I showed you in my last video. And I also put some green cellophane on my glasses too, because I found that beneficial in strong sunlight. I also used some very small pinholes as well. In all instances, I started shaking around the same time. The pinholes were a bit different, I'll come on to that. But I started shaking around the same time, and also my eyes were shaking. So as soon as something came into focus, I'd be shaking, my eyes would be shaking, and the image would split, basically. Now what happened with the pinholes, because I was standing facing the window, so I was standing into the light, and when my partner put this up, suddenly my line of vision was blocked because he was in the way, this was in the way, and everything went black. And he said at that point I started shaking, so it might be something to do with the light as well. I don't know, but why might it be happening? Well, afterwards I wanted to check whether it might be a binocular issue. So we did the same experiment with these glasses, just that I put an eye patch over each eye in turn, and there was a tiny amount of shaking, you know, hardly noticeable, he said, but basically there was no shaking. There shouldn't have been any, but there was only a tiny amount. So that says to me, okay, that is something of a binocular vision issue going on there. Now I have tried prisms in a session before with my optician, and that just didn't work because I just saw two of everything all of the time. And I've tried various configurations at home since then, and it just wasn't doing anything for me. So I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to get around that one. But anyway, I just really wanted to talk about it. I don't know if anyone else has kind of had a similar experience, you know, and might want to share it, or if there's anyone out there who has some ideas on how this could be resolved, I'll be really grateful to hear from you. Anyway, please like and subscribe, and hope to see you in my next video.